Here's the Hampton Bay Barrow Island with the 12-inch rod this time. We're gonna have it on low as usual. This fan, I had to flip the blades over from that wood grain to this cottage side since the blades were beat up badly. Like it was scratched up, so I decided to flip them over. This fan it's on the 3-speed wall control, so and it's sharing control with the Farmington, so the medium and lower don't have much of a difference.
Are you interested in talking to her now?
Yeah.
Okay. Otherwise,
All right,
she might refer
let's
you
go up to
fill out an application online.
medium
Let me check
with
if
the
she's
control.
there. Okay, and then I'm just gonna fill up my water and get some, yeah. Let me do this, excuse me, okay.
There's medium with the control.
I'm in between class, I have about 10 minutes.
This thing,
Thank you.
as you can see, runs okay, but like sure it does, but I cannot reach the chain to demonstrate factory speeds unless if I go on a ladder or stand on something, because the fan is so up high. As you can tell, it's running really good as it should. And now I guess we'll go to high because medium and low don't have much of a difference from each other. On high, it starts to wobble a little bit, but not much, but I guess some of the blades are a little banged up from, so that's probably why it wobbles a little bit. Not much, but it's wobbling noticeably in person. And this fan moves a pretty good breeze despite being a newer Hampton Bay. Even on this longer rod, it really helps the airflow. Distribute. And I mean, I can feel it all the way from the door, which I wasn't able to fill before because of how high it was hanging. As you can tell, it's running really good now. It's a tiny bit of wobble when it speeds up, but not much. So, yeah. I guess that's pretty much with the Hampton Bay Barrow Island. Thank you for watching, and a lot more to come.